Hi, it's me, Shy Wilson, and you're in for a bonus video. This is for the men. This is for the ladies. I'm going to show you how to make a new sugar scrub using coffee grounds. Yes, coffee grounds. Why go to the stores? Why go to the expensive foo-foo la-la spas where the scrubs are so costly when you can make everything your own with the ingredients you have? It's wonderful. So again, this is not only for my ladies, but this is for the men. So if you have any discoloration, dark ankles, dark elbows, dark kneecaps, scars of any type that are black or discolored from acne, this is also wonderful to exfoliate your skin. And it is using brown sugar, which is harmless on your skin. Now, this remedy you can use twice a week. Alrighty then? Alrighty then. Well, let's get rolling. Alrighty, this is what you need. You need a half a cup of brown sugar, which we have. We're going to put it right over here. You need a half a cup of coffee grounds. And you need a half a cup of coconut oil. Now, this is the thing. You want to buy refined coconut oil. So this is a jar that I bought. You can get it at any grocery stores. Whole Foods, organic is great. Ralph's, Lucky's, Albertsons, anywhere, okay? And you're going to notice, now you don't want the loose coconut oil for cooking. You want it refined, just like this. Can you see? It's going to be solid. It's going to be white. Solid and white. Don't get scared. When you bring it home, boil some water. Put it in the hot water for a little bit. And it'll start to kind of loosen up. I kind of did it on the bottom just to kind of show you. It'll start to loosen up. A little bit goes a long way. And again, you need a half a cup of that, baby. And for this special recipe, it's almost like we're baking a cake, but we're not, because this recipe also calls for vanilla, extract. Just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alrighty then. And if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. It would make my day, and you can see a lot of fun videos. Also, please comment down below. I love comments. I love reaching out to all of my subscribers, and let me know what you would like to see me talk about next. Alrighty? Okay, so before we mix, the best type of thing to get is mason jars. You can find this even at the 99-cent only store, or the dollar store, or Ralph's. I saw a pack of 6 at Ralph's. Oh, they're so cute, because you want to seal that baby up. But you know what? Between me and you, sometimes I've left the top off, and it's still good, because it's just a coconut oil, it just really saturates it. Now, you don't always have to use coconut oil. You can use your favorite type of oil, like olive oil. That's wonderful. Or Tupperware. Seal that baby tight, or something a little bit littler. It'll be perfect. Alrighty. So what we're going to do is I've already measured the equal amounts. Half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of coffee grounds, half a cup of coconut oil, and then we're going to measure the vanilla extract. Alrighty. So basically what you want to do is you want to mix really, really good. So we're just going to dump the whole thing like that. Brown sugar in there. Alrighty. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the coffee grounds in here, okay? Like I said, half a cup, half a cup, half a cup. So I've already kind of put that in there, but we're just going to, little by little, pour a little bit of coconut oil in here. It smells so good. And we're just going to start mixing. Last time I mixed in my mason jar, which was wonderful. I made a little mess, but hey, it's not fun unless you make a mess. I like making a mess. What about you? When I was little, I was the mud pie queen, okay? So now you're going to mix it up a little bit. We're going to put a little bit more coffee grounds in here. Finish that all up. And then we're going to pour a little bit more. See, we still have coconut oil. So we're just going to mix that baby up. Just like this. Side note, I mix little at a time, and you always want to get the sides too. And you want to like mash it in case you get any clumps. I don't have any clumps really. I had one. Just mash it in because you want to really make sure that it blends well. Okay. Okay, and last but not least, we've used all the coconut oil. Yes, we have. Just a little drop, okay. And then a teaspoon vanilla extract. And you know, you would think that this is going to be very potent coffee smell, but no. The coconut oil really helps with the smell. And so does the brown sugar, and this is going to help too. There's not a smell. No, there's not a stench of coffee. And then, ooh, I did that perfectly. I'm getting better. Teaspoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract. I am using McCormick because I like to cook and bake. And we're just going to mix that in. Oh, this is a heavenly smell. And this is also aromatherapy, everybody. So we just mix that in. You see how I'm mixing it in? So you want to make sure the bottom, you know, you've mixed at the bottom as well. Okay. Use a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You make a mistake, you're going to find out that, yeah, you can't go wrong with the measurements, basically. So don't think that you've messed up. And again, you can use this twice a week. And this is also good with exfoliating your pores, lines, wrinkles. Oh, you're just going to have this ever radiant glow about you. So then you put it in your mason jar. And you also leave this on for a few minutes before you wash it off. This isn't like a face mask, so you don't leave it on overnight. I mean, you can, but your bed and your pillow is going to be really messy. So, and use this on your legs, scars, for your pores, lines, wrinkles around the eyes. Just avoid the tops of your eyes. Everyone, you have your own exfoliating scrub for your face that you can use, your face and your bodies. And men, also for your ingrown hairs, when you are growing out your ingrown hairs, you know, using maybe like bump stopper, and sometimes you have like crackly, dead, dry skin around those hair bumps. When you use this or any type of sugar scrub, brown sugar scrub, this will remove all of the crackly, dead skin around your ingrown hair bumps. And the next day, you'll see your hair come out of the hair bump even more so you can treat it. Alrighty, ladies. Well, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And until then, have a very blessed day.